Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello, my name is Lizzet. It's so nice to meet you. I film cleaning videos, decorating videos, lifestyle videos, and the occasional DIY. Thank you so much for being part of my YouTube family. It really means so much to me. Today's video, we will be doing a cleaning video, a cleaning routine video. Luna was down for her nap, so I really needed to get a few things cleaned around the house, the kitchen, the living room, our dining room, which has been our catch-all lately. So if you like to relax with me or join me for some cleaning, then please keep on watching. So as you guys know, I love to start off on my center island. This is just kind of the one spot that I feel if I clean first, it really sets the tone for me. So just clearing everything off, and today I am using my Lysol spray to wipe down my countertops. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. So moving on to the dishes. If you are new here, I actually do not have a dishwasher. It wasn't an option that we wanted when we bought this house. So I wash my dishes by hand, and as I'm washing them, I'll place them off to the left side here. So these are all clean dishes that I'm just putting away. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't come back. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind. And now I am washing the sink. This is the side again where I put the clean dishes as I'm washing them, and I'm using Dawn to clean. So now moving on to the mountain of dishes that I had, still using that Dawn dish soap to rinse and clean everything. So let's pick up the pieces that we left unsaid. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind. And then once I was done washing the dishes, again cleaning down the sink, still using the Dawn dish soap. Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy. Some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. You got something on your mind, I might
So moving on to the stove. My stove is usually not very dirty because I do wipe it down each time I finish cooking. So luckily for me, it's always easy for me to get this clean.
Baby, I still wear the shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go.
So then once I was all done cleaning the kitchen, I started to sweep.
If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go.
So now I'm gonna mop, and I am rinsing out my O-Cedar bucket to clean it out before I start adding more water inside. And I like to use really hot water when I mop. I just feel like it cleans and disinfects a lot more. And then I am using my Mr. Clean floor cleaner. It makes the house smell so yummy.
What you think about me, and I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy.
So moving on to the living room, I feel like the living room hasn't been too crazy lately because since we have been home so much, this is the one area that I really try to keep clean because it's where we hang out most of the day. So it wasn't too crazy for me to have to clean up. I just kind of just put everything where it was supposed to go and then started to vacuum.
Really tried the best I could. I can't stop time for you. Stop time for you. I've played my part for nothing, and I did it all for you, for you. Yeah, we've been through this, I'm not the one you need right now, and I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could, the best I could. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I don't wanna be with somebody who's never gonna be around for me, around for me. I'm running out of energy, I realize you'll never be the one for me. I can't stop time for you.
So now moving over to my pumpkin area, I just had to rearrange everything. Luna plays with these all day. She's the only one out of all my kids that just gravitates towards them, and I'll find them in the room, I'll find them in the bathroom, I'll find them in the kitchen. They're just always all over the place. So hopefully next year she won't be too gravitated towards the pumpkins and she'll be a little older, but I always have to, multiple times a day, move them around and put them back where they're supposed to go. So now I'm just cleaning the entertainment center and giving everything a quick wipe.
I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. Won't you Get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now. I don't need this right now.
And then the last thing I did in the living room was give everything a sweep and then mop.
We're talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle. Yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing. Time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run.
So moving on to this craziness of a dining area that I have, we have been doing Zoom calls and at-home schooling with my kids, with my 9-year-old and my soon-to-be 5-year-old. So this is kind of like our little homework classroom area, and it's always looking like this, to be quite honest. So I pretty much leave it as it is during the week, just because if not, I'm just gonna have to be taking everything out every day. So it's just easier for me to leave their school supplies on here during the week, and this is how it ends up looking by Friday. So just kind of putting everything away and putting everything back where it goes. And then back here where I'm at right now is where I have all of my boxes that need to go into the garage. So just kind of stacking everything so that my husband can just put everything away in the garage once I pack up all the decor. It's just like the decor that I took down from the decorating.
No, we can't stay no more. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do.
I had a few things in the dryer, so I took those out and just folded those up. So moving on to our bathroom. This is actually the main bathroom. The boys' bathroom I did not clean this day, because that one I have to clean on a almost everyday basis, just because boys. So this one I don't clean quite as often, but this day I really needed to get some cleaning done in it. And since it is small, it doesn't really take me too long to get this bathroom clean.
Stumbling on the pavement, yeah. No sleep in my body. Last night got me wasted, yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound, yeah. I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care, yeah. Don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked.
Onto the hallway, we have this mirror that hangs out of Luna's bedroom, so I just wiped that down. And then the last thing I did was sweep and mop our hallway. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube family. Thank you guys again, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
how to be. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure.